Did you know that your business could be leaving thousands of dollars on the table just by ignoring one crucial detail on your website? And no, I'm not talking about SEO or social media ads. I'm talking about accessibility. Right now, millions of users with disabilities are trying to browse the web, looking for services like yours. But when they land on your site, if they can't access your content, they're gone. This isn't just about being compliant with the Americans with Disabilities Act. It's about being smart. Businesses across the US are already being sued for having websites that aren't accessible. Imagine waking up to a lawsuit just because your website didn't work properly for someone using a screen reader or keyboard navigation. Sounds scary, right? Well, the good news is you don't have to wait for legal trouble to take action. In fact, the IRS wants to reward you for making your website more accessible. That's why they're offering a dollar-for-dollar tax credit for small businesses that invest in web accessibility. So, who qualifies? If your business made $1 million or less last year, or you have 30 or fewer full-time employees, congratulations. You're eligible. That means if you spend $7,000 making your website ADA compliant, you could get $3,375 back as a tax credit. And if you invest $10,250 or more, you'll get the maximum $5,000 in tax savings. And the best part? This isn't a one-time credit. You can claim it every single year as long as you continue improving your website's accessibility. But let's step away from taxes for a second. Here's what nobody tells you. Web accessibility is actually a massive business advantage. There are over 61 million people in the US with disabilities. Many of them are potential customers who can't access your services. Think about it. If your competitors' sites aren't accessible but yours is, who do you think they'll choose? They'll choose you. So, how do you claim this money? It's simple. Make sure your website meets WCAG 2.1 accessibility standards. Keep track of all your accessibility-related expenses. File IRS Form 8826 with your tax return. That's it. But here's the catch. Most business owners don't know how to make their website fully ADA compliant. And that's where we come in. At Orange Web Group, we don't just check off boxes. We transform websites into fully accessible, high-converting business tools. Whether you need a full accessibility audit, real-time compliance solutions, or help navigating the tax credit process, we got you covered. This isn't something you should wait on. Every day that your website isn't accessible, you're missing out on customers, exposing yourself to legal risks, and leaving thousands of dollars in tax savings behind. Let's fix this today. Call us at Orange Web Group or click the link below to schedule a free consultation. It's time to make your website accessible, grow your audience, and put money back in your pocket. Let's get started. If you're ready to take your strategy to the next level, hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel and drop a comment with your biggest takeaway.